Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be going over some incredible machines you'll love. Make sure to stick around to see what John Deere has to offer for pulling scrapers. The Terra Felis 3 is also known as the world's most modern best cleaner. Each of its modules can be swung out or folded in seconds. The pick system is equipped with 18 wear-resistant rollers for thorough cleaning. Higher speeds in the distribution rollers first convey the beats on the cleaning table to the outside. This almost doubles the cleaning distance compared to the gentle setting. Moreover, its Vario pick extension provides an individually adjustable working angle for fuel savings and optimal cleaning. Corn salad is a form of leaf salad that must be cut and harvested with extreme precision. The cutting point, in particular, is placed between the neck, which must remain intact by holding the leaves together in a single body, and the roots, which must remain attached to the earth. This has been made possible with the Herbex 9200, which cuts with very high precision. The automatic blade height device and electronic sensors can cut 1 to 2 millimeters under the ground. It can harvest 70 tons per hour. In fact, it is the biggest corn leaf harvester in the world. The DAMCON Multi-Strike is an exceptional tractor, mainly designed for blueberry plants. Due to high clearance, it can easily pass through fields without damaging any plant. Its middle section is 65 centimeters wide. The height and track width are optionally adjustable. The Multi-Strike can be used as a sprayer, and it can spray 1.2 hectares per hour. Also, it can be equipped with many attachments, including different types of mowers and pruning equipment. The PR2500 is a plastic mulch lifter and wrapper that does so in a single pass. The machine splits the plastic from the ground, rolls the dirt, vines, and trash to the side, and wraps the plastic neatly into rolls. It saves your valuable time and dramatically increases efficiency in plastic mulch removal. Moreover, it excels at lifting and wrapping buried or surface tape drip. Hurricanes, torrential rains, and storms have always been devastating for corn crops. On the 10th of August of 2020, across Ohio and several other US states, heavy wind knocked down corn crops just 2 weeks before reaching silage maturity. The Jaguar 900, however, manages to save hectares of corn due to specifically engineered design for downed crops. The Jaguar keeps the set speed constant and regulates engine power and driving speed according to the crop. With its industry-leading innovation, the throughput of up to 380 tons per hour, proven reliability, and unmatched crop flow and shop quality make it the best choice in any condition on any soil. The Sherpa is a self-propelled feed mixing system. Its rear swing axle makes it perfect for narrow yard conditions. Now you can pick up, mix, and feed the fodder with the Sherpa. Its milling cutters are equipped with 60 cranked knives for gentle picking up and optimal cut surface shape. Due to the patented knife adjustment system, the Vario squared mixing auger in stepped flight design can be perfectly adapted to your specific conditions of use. The robust and low-maintenance angular gear ensures a long service life even under challenging conditions. Meet the John Deere 9RX series scraper tractor, a 4-track with the ideal combination of strength, technology, and agility. These are designed to transport vast volumes of material and pull several big scrapers with ease. These come with a 570 horsepower engine, proven FT4 technology, and a hydraulic flow of 115 gallons per minute. All these features enable the John Deere 9RX tractors to pull through tough spots and even over hills with ease. Increased ballasting options let you carry heavy implements with ease, ensuring you get all the power you can to the ground so that you can move forward in your operation. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching, and we hope to catch you next time.